Nicholas, my name is Mark Worrell, and thank you for coming in this morning. I've been assigned to represent you for the charges against you in the village of Kenmore. You went to court, right? And was arraigned before Judge Reardon?
Yeah, I mean, I was in jail, and then the judge told me I could go home. So.
But you were in court. They gave you the papers charging you.
Yeah, they gave me something. Yeah.
You didn't bring them this morning, like we asked you to for your interview.
Yeah, I don't know where that is. I figure you can get it.
Well, fortunately, I have them here, and it appears that you were charged in that court with petty larceny. They claim that you went into the Rite Aid in the village of Kenmore. You put some cough medicine in your pocket and walked out without paying for it, passed all the registers, and it says here it was all caught on video. You were...
Yeah, but listen though, because first off, that security guard never read me my rights, never at all. And second off, they gave, so this is what I want you to do, they gave that Robitussin, or that cough medicine, back to the store. They never kept it. They never got my fingerprints. They never got my DNA. You can beat this case. Any lawyer can beat this case. Okay. So that's what I want to do.
Well, we'll approach that as we get back to court. But a lot of things you mentioned are really not necessary in a petty larceny case. But let's look at this a little further. Apparently, when you were approached by the security guard, you gave him a hard time, although you did admit to taking the cough medicine from the store. And then they called the police, and you gave the police a hard time, and they added on.
I didn't give anybody a hard time. Whatever. Just do whatever you got to do.
And it appears from your criminal record that I have here that this is like your 6th or 7th time that you've been charged with petty larceny, and you've been on probation.
Most of those were dismissed, though.
A few were dismissed, and you were given an ACD. But as we go on, you were placed on probation, which you violated, and they sent you to jail.
Yeah, so that's what happened. They gave me probation, but then my probation officer didn't like where I was living, but I don't have money to get an apartment, so I'm going to friends' houses, I'm sleeping where I can, and then they violate me and put me in jail. But it's like, you know, I don't know. You people are all just trying to throw me in jail, so I don't even care.
You've been pleading guilty to these charges, and that tells me you've been admitting...
Yeah, I'm pleading guilty because I can't afford a real lawyer.
Okay. Well, we are real lawyers, and I'm trying to help you. But it seems, based on what you've done in the past, it's going to be difficult, especially when the officer said he saw you do this.
Man, I hear the same thing every time. You know, I can't work because I don't have health insurance and I can't get my mind right unless I get my medication. I don't have a place to stay, so I can't be on probation. It's all because I don't have money. That's all you guys care about, money, money, money. And, you know, like, there's nothing I can do. So you guys are just going to keep throwing me in jail, and I'm just going to keep living my life. And there's nothing I can do about it.
Well, Nicholas, what about these charges here that you get a 220.03? That tells me that...
What's 220?
Well, it says here that you were charged on a number of occasions with possessing drugs. And another occasion with possessing marijuana. So it appears there's other things going on in your life other than people picking
I do what I got to do because I can't get, I can't get the medication I need, and it's the only thing that makes it stop in my head. I do what I have to do. I don't hurt anybody. I just do what I have to do to get by, and all I want is some help from somebody instead of just always throwing me in jail.
And it appears that that's what happens. You're thrown in jail every time, and you never change your ways, and you never try and do better.
I try.
This is a perfect case example of something that can be referred to the social work lead program. We can help and meet the individual's needs and prevent them from future incarceration.